Welcome to the School of Wordcraft and Worldmancy. This is Feedback Frenzy.
Hello, I'm WriterGreg, and welcome to the School of Worldcraft and Worldmancy. It's time for a Feedback Frenzy, where we review submitted works as either 1,500 words or world-building articles for free for here on the Twitch stream. And thank you all who have submitted your works at wgc.bz/submit. And if you'd like to submit your content for a future episode, please visit there and we will get it in the queue. All right, so today's article is Origins. It's a plot for the Blood Panther homepage written by James. All right, so this looks like it is pretty long, but it is written in a it is written in a format, in a screenwriting format. Just check to see how long this is. All right, it does go over the mark a bit. All right, we'll read the first two sections. Okay. Okay, content warning, upsetting situations such as near death, potential starvation, and illness. This is your trigger warning for the content for near death, potential starvation, and illness. Sable and Aaron. The blasted thing came around the corner as it normally would, the afternoon bus. Look, Aaron. Being frozen on the spot, Sable looks away expecting a rather nasty crunch sound. She soon found that she wasn't expecting what she saw next. A tiger in front of her, with Aaron dismounting him. The tiger turns into human form, revealing a man in his late 20s in a submissive pose. I don't think you realize that you're holding a spatula. If you're going to beat me with it, you better do it now. I don't know why, since I saved Aaron. Sable moves her hand, holding the spatula in a less threatening manner, and James turns back into a tiger. Sable can't help but hug the tiger and thank him. You're welcome, Sable. James winks and heads off in the direction of Kelowna, and Sable and Aaron look at each other in disbelief. A moment later, Sable streams it began being a Thursday and in 2021. Sable does this in front of a blue and cream door with a grandfather clock on the left. She tells a story. During the sprint, Aaron requires Sable's attention for something, so she sets her stream, onto a break. Going back to the front door, she sees that a UPS driver is delivering a large basket to them. Perplexed, she just leaves it on the floor under a bookshelf, unseen by the stream. Returning the stream back to the viewer, she explains what happened. A week later, she wakes up and goes to the room. She streams in and sees there's a tiger in the basket, sleeping peacefully. She begins stroking its fur. Perhaps through her doing it, James wakes up seeing Sable. Good morning, Sable. I hope you enjoyed your surprise. Sable looked at the series of pink books, which seemed to be the majority of the shelf, but looked back at James. Indeed, James, she says, stroking her fur. Okay. So this is a really interesting thing about the origins. I know a little bit more about the world than what it explains here. So it makes sense. It's a good narrative. You don't have to explain right now why there's a basket or why she received a basket or why James the Tiger ended up in that basket. The things that let's go through the alphabet. Awesome. I'm glad that you're writing this down and you're doing whatever you need to do to get it written down, including this specific format. Bored? No, it was a very short article. Not sure how it's going to continue on, but of course I could keep reading, but it's quite a long fiction piece. Confusing. There are some issues that need to be fixed with the sentences. I think using Grammarly on this would help a lot, and find some of those issues where sentences are a little bit awkward due to their grammar construction. But also, it is very unique to write the way you do, where it's more of a script than it is straight prose. I say pick one. If you're going to go write a script, write a script. Don't go half measured on it, because use the script format, learn the script terminology, and that way people will be able to more closely understand what you're going for if you just wrote it out as a plain script. And yeah, maybe okay, delete. Nothing I would delete. I didn't read the whole article. It is very long, and with a very long article like this, you're less likely to get people to read the whole thing. Thank you so much for the content wording on it. Yeah, that works. Expand. Nothing to expand so far, as I didn't get through all of it. But I just recommend it and hope you keep going. All right? So thank you, James, very much for submitting the article and being a part of the feedback frenzy. Look forward to having anyone who submits their content at wgc.bz/submit to have their content or fiction featured in a future feedback frenzy free live critiques at wgc.bz/submit. Until next time, thank you so much and keep on writing.
Thanks for watching this feedback frenzy. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. WriterGreg offers coaching sessions to help bring your world to life, create compelling stories, and accomplish your creative goals. Please visit wgc.bz/coaching for more details.